It is said that you only need to find an intact used gas tank. First, fold the iron plate that has been marked in advance into a right angle, and then bump it against itself, then fill in the two ends, weld and fix it, and draw and cut the top parts separately. Semicircular arc shape as shown in the current shape. At the same time, drill enough holes on the side at equal intervals and drill through and arrange 7 circular reserved holes for cutting. The thick hollow tube that perfectly matches it is just right, not too big and not too small, and penetrates every space reserved for shelving at once. After making sure it is welded, polished, and smooth, you need to degas and oxidize an old gas tank that has been emptied of the remaining gas inside and clean it with a little more care. First, make a circle of openings for the top and bottleneck as well as bolts. The corresponding nut hook handle allows it be flexibly opened and closed anytime and anywhere, which can be used to load the corresponding strokes on the side. This is only half of the preliminary structure, and the real core has just begun, until 4 thick angle irons of the same length are used as the necessary stress-bearing supports for the base. So now it is available for outdoor use. It only needs to be made separately, the required drawers are installed, and the handles are tightened for easy pulling. And assemble and splice a small exhaust fan frame, directly add and weld to the tail, then cut out the reserved hole for the top opening, connect and extend a section of casing vertically upward, and finally spray high-temperature paint to add screws and tighten the exhaust fan. At this point, a multifunctional stove that is creatively built from waste gas cans is presented to everyone in a perfect and simple way. When used for indoor heating, it can also boil water and make soup at the same time. It is really ingenious, convenient, and practical. What do you guys say?